Okay, so what we're going to try to do is get some live action for you on camera. We're glazing the window, and like I said, we got the we're using the caulk glaze method. Oh man, working outside, you got to keep fighting the bees. Caulk method. All right. So it's two different ways you can do it. You got your container which you glaze in. You can roll it out, flatten it down, or you got this window glazing. Comes in a tube. You can use your caulk gun. You just caulk it in. It comes pre-cut. You can see that angle on there. Comes already pre-cut. So what we're gonna do, I got a spot I glazed. It's not as full as I like it to be, so we're gonna try to do a little live action for you. See if I can get that. See if I can get you. See if you can see me. I'm gonna do a little work. Forgive me, I left my tripod. Let's see if we can do a little work on for you. All right, let's see if we can get that in there. All right, so what I'm gonna do is just go on top of here just a little bit. You know, put a little bit on top. Just put a little bit more on top of there. Just a little bit. You say, oh, that's not full. You don't need to be full. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. That's all we're doing. Put a little bit on there. Then I'm gonna use with this. I'm gonna use the knife method. I like to spread it out. Spread it out on there a little bit. Just flatten it down. Flatten it down a little bit. Fill in the gaps. You know, it's the way I do it. You can find a way, whatever way is comfortable with you. I'm used to mudding with knives, so. And then I just smooth it out. Smoothing out. Now this side has been giving me real issues because it's jacked up. The wood is really jacked up on, you know, you wouldn't think the window edge would be jacked up, but it is. Okay, it's been giving me issues. So just thought I'd do a little recording. Because you might run across the same thing. You know, you might run across the same thing, man. Alright. So I'm just gonna fill in these little gaps right quick. This little corner right quick. And then I'm gonna show you one trick sometimes that I learned from my guys. You wet your knife just a little bit, everything will be all right. Just wet your knife a little bit. Oh yeah. And then it just rides the knife. Whatever material you're trying to spray with a knife. You wet your knife a little bit, it'll just ride with it. It'll just slide on the knife. It won't stick to the knife. Oh yeah. See, that's all I'm trying to do. I was just trying to fluff it up a little bit. It doesn't have to be perfect because, like I said, we're going to paint. I'm going to put paint on this. Some people leave their glaze nice and free. I like to paint mine. So we're going to get this 30 minutes. We outside, so it should be nice, ready to go. Just thought I'd give you some live action. Hopefully I wasn't in the way of the camera. All right, please like and subscribe.